We'll come out strong and say it right away because it's so important. Yes, you must use a conditioner if you want truly healthy, amazing hair. Look at it this way. A great conditioner is to shampoo as Robin is to Batman. On their own, they're still great, but together they can create an unstoppable, dynamic duo. Now we realize that most guys don't think about the benefits from using a great conditioner, but the actual numbers we found were seriously alarming. In a recent study, they found that while 84% of men use shampoo, only 58% use conditioner. That's a big gap, and if you're not using a conditioner, you're missing out on some serious benefits. So why should you use a conditioner? When you shampoo your hair, not only are you eliminating grease, grime and dirt, which is essential, but you're also unfortunately removing a lot of the natural oils and moisture your hair needs to maintain health, strength and elasticity. That's where the conditioner swoops in to save the day. Conditioning your hair more often can lead to incredible volume, style and overall health. But here's the thing. Conditioner doesn't have to be used just after shampooing. In fact, it can be used daily, which is especially beneficial if you have dry or damaged hair, as the extra moisture helps keep your hair healthy and manageable. Choosing the right conditioner makes a huge difference too. It's time to stop grabbing the first one you see at the supermarket, stop borrowing your girlfriend's, and for the love of hair, never go for a 2-in-1. Seriously, just don't. Condition is our overall best conditioner, packed with ingredients to restore hair pH balance and bring energy and life back to dry, damaged hair. It's a nourishing, creamy conditioner with a peppermint scent that gives your scalp a cool, soothing, relaxing feeling too. But if you have fine hair, opt for something more specialized like Power. It's packed with biotin, a vitamin known for its hair strengthening benefits. This conditioner not only nourishes your hair, but also helps add volume and strength. And if you're looking for a great conditioner that gives you all the essentials to building great hair, but if you want more of a manly, rugged scent, Cowboy is for you. Cowboy is packed with hydrating ingredients like keratin and olive fruit oil, but also has an incredibly manly tobacco scent. These ingredients help restore your hair's balance, bring back its energy and life, but also makes you smell incredible. And finally, for those who need extra moisture, a leave-in conditioner like Smooth is perfect. You can apply it to dry or damp hair and leave it in to work its magic. It revitalizes dull, dry, brittle hair and brings it back to life, providing incredible shine and softness without weighing your hair down. Now you're armored up with the best conditioner, how often should you use it? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here. But personally, we recommend conditioning every single day. Just be on the lookout for signs of greasiness. If you notice your hair is starting to feel greasy or oily, then you know it's time to dial back your regime slightly and start conditioning less. Finally, here's a simple grooming routine to follow to get the most out of your conditioner. Step 1, apply a generous amount of conditioner to wet or damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. Remember, your hair gets drier and more brittle the further from your scalp you go, so focusing on these areas that are more prone to breakage is essential. Step 2, make sure the conditioner is evenly distributed and leave it in for 2 to 5 minutes. You need to give it time to work its magic. Pro tip, if your hair is a little bit longer, using a wide tooth comb to ensure even distribution makes things easy. While you wait, continue with your normal shower routine, washing your body and face. Step 3, when the time is up, rinse your hair well until all of the conditioner is out. Make sure it's completely rinsed through, as failing to do so can make your hair look weighed down and greasy. And that's it. Simple, right? So let's give conditioner the spotlight it deserves, celebrate it as the superhero it is, and invest in a high quality conditioner today to enjoy smooth, healthy, and naturally incredible looking hair.